So let's look at the product property for logarithms. The product property tells us when we have log base b of multiplication or product, what we can do is we can rewrite it in an expanded form using addition. So you'll take your log base b and have it with the m here, and then instead of a times sign, you'll bring down a plus sign. And then you'll take your same log base b and put it with your n. So when you have the condensed multiplication form, you will only have the log base b one time. But when you have the expanded form, the log base b will go with every single part of the product. And you'll use addition instead of multiplication. So to condense into a single logarithm, if you will look, we have addition. So we know that this is in expanded form. So to put it in condensed form, you'll take whatever your log and your base is, and you'll write it down one time, and one time only. And then you'll take the two numbers, or three numbers, or however many there are, and you'll multiply them together. So you'll multiply 7 times 4 to get log base 2 of 28. So this is your expanded form, this is your condensed form. Looking at number 2, log base 10, because we don't see a base, it's an understood 10, of 25 plus log base 10 of 4. So to put it into its condensed form, pull the log in the front and take your two numbers and multiply them together. And so this is your condensed form. Multiply to get log of 100. Number 3, you have log base 4 of 2x plus log base 4 of 4x squared. Pull your log base 4 to the front, and you're going to multiply 2x and 4x squared. So when I multiply these, 2 times 4 is 8. X times x to the second, when you multiply with the same base, add your exponent. And that's going to be your condensed form for all three. Now for number 4, we want to expand using the product property. Well, you can see here you don't have an actual product, you have just 6. Well, think of all the numbers you can multiply together to get 6. 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So pick one, because answers can vary here depending on how many factors are available. So in order to expand this, the log has to go with each part. So the log of 2 plus the log of 3. And that is your expanded form. Now go to 45. Okay, so again, pick one. I want to use 3 and 15 just because it's in the middle. So we'll have log base 7 of my first factor, 3, plus log base 7 again of my second factor, 15. And this is my expanded form. Now for this last one, I've already got a product, 5 and x. So I'll have log base 2 of the first part, 5, plus log base 2 of the second part, x. So notice when you are condensing into a multiplication answer, you will only have one log. That's it. When you are expanding into addition, you'll have a log with each part of the product and plus in the middle.